Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials: credentials, permissions, and a supported browser. Sign in at Zenoti, enter your email and password, and complete any two-step verification. Once done, verify your role shows admin or front desk so you can access appointments and customers. This matters because menus change by role. Make sure to toggle pop-ups and allow camera if you'll capture photos. If your dashboard still looks empty, refresh and check the clinic ID at the top. This confirms you're in the correct account. You now create the appointment, search for the customer, or add a new profile with contact details and preferences. This helps future marketing and reminders. Next, pick the service, assign a provider, and choose an available time slot on the calendar. Duration and provider availability matter for accurate scheduling. Add service modifiers and any retail items to the same ticket, then apply discounts or prepayments if needed. Once done, confirm notifications are set so clients receive SMS or email reminders automatically. You finish by checking out, review the ticket, accept payments, use split tenders or loyalty points as required, and issue receipts. Once the appointment is closed, add visit notes and trigger any follow-up campaigns or rebooking offers. This builds retention. Reconcile the register at day end to catch discrepancies. If something goes wrong, errors saving, missing buttons, clear your browser cache, re-login, confirm your role permissions, and then retry. If issues persist, contact Zenoti support with a screenshot and the clinic ID for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.